Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on Mac and Windows and share with the Markup Hero. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go over to markuphero.com/download and install the free screenshot app if you haven't already. And if you need any help with installation, I'll post a help link below this video. Also on the download page, we have a help link. So once you've downloaded and installed the app, you'll see it on Mac up in your navbar right here. And on Windows, you'll see it in your tray menu, and you can drag it out of your tray menu if you like. So there's two ways to take a screenshot. The first is to use the screenshot button, and the second is to use the shortcut. On Mac, that is Command-Shift-1, and on Windows, it is Control-Shift-1. So we're going to go ahead and take a screenshot of this website, Unsplash, and make a comment. So I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to hit Command-Shift-1. Select the area I want to screenshot. And you're going to see that the screenshot is immediately uploaded to Markup Hero, and the link is already copied to your clipboard, so you can just go ahead and share it right away if you want to. But I'm going to make an annotation first. So the link is already copied to my clipboard, so I can go ahead and share this right away, and I'm going to do that in Slack. You can also do this on any messaging app or any way that you communicate with other people. Alternatively, you can also copy this to your clipboard and paste it, which is really handy and quick. And voila, the image is pasted into Slack. One other quick thing to show is that at any point you can go and view the history of all the screenshots you've taken or images you've uploaded and annotations you've made, and go through and make edits and share them as needed. So that's a quick little overview of how to take a screenshot and share with Markup Hero on Mac and Windows.